You are a content creator. You are making videos for YouTube. You need Soundcloud music for your YouTube videos. Me too. I am Dani Lozano, Formula 1 content creator, and in this video I will explain my experience using Soundcloud music in my YouTube videos, and also I will reveal how you can download music from Soundcloud to use in your YouTube videos without copyright problems. Personally, to find music for my videos, I normally use YouTube. I'm searching for good music composers that let you use music for free. In 2017, I was making a Formula 1 documentary that I named Silver vs Red F1 2017. The documentary is 80 minutes long, so I need a lot of music. Suddenly, I found very good music for my documentary from this music artist, Makai Symphony. After checking the channel, I discovered the artist used SoundCloud to host music, so I decided to take a look. This is the Makai Symphony SoundCloud page. It's good signal to know if you can use the music of the artist. The first good signal is to check on the tracks the artist posts on SoundCloud if it's available in the tab the download file. Normally, this is optional. When music artists upload music to SoundCloud, they can decide if they let to the people to download their songs. That not means 100% you can use the music. In my case, in the Makai Symphony SoundCloud page, I checked the download file button is available, but I need more information to make sure this artist let me use his music on YouTube. So what I did was to check the comment section of the artist, which is at the right side here, the latest comments. I found one interesting comment, one interesting response of the composer to one of the people who asked for music usage. And look at the response. Yes, there are my royalty-free musics on the following URL. Please download them and you can use them freely you need. That's the key. Once I read this comment, I obviously knew that I was able to use the music of this composer on my YouTube videos. Once I have the confirmation, I start to find music of this music composer, like for example this one, All Out Attack.
Still a long way to go. Keep your head down.
Thank goodness. 28-1, 28-1.
Blizzard Shell.
Sebastian Vettel, Lewis Hamilton. Oh, and Hamilton gets forced off the track.
Battle Troopers. Great, I had a bunch of good songs free to use in my YouTube documentary, but I want more. So I keep navigating through SoundCloud searching for good music composers that creates epic music. After some minutes, I found another one. And this is the other music composer, DTD Music. In this case, I check first, as I did before with Makai Symphony, the first music composer, that the download file button is available. That's a good signal, but it's not enough. We have to make sure we have the permission of the artist to use his music. Once again, I check in the comment section. In this case, I did not find a response of the question if I can use the music of this composer on YouTube videos, so I take the ultimate solution to contact the music composer by private message on SoundCloud. Hi, some days ago I found your YouTube channel. Just I'm wondering if I can use your music on my YouTube channel. And this is a response. That is okay with me, just credit me, ask for use their music. Some of them maybe they say no. Most of them I'm sure they will let you to use their music on your YouTube videos without problem. This is one of the songs that I use from DTD Music, Fearless, that I love it.
In the pits for the Ferrari.
We are human beings. We are made by connections. The easiest way is to connect with the artists. Let them know you want to use their music on YouTube. Just that. Are you searching for more music for your YouTube videos, like music for football edits, music for anime edits, music for gaming edits? In this playlist is all what you need. Thanks for watching.